Module 5. Natural Language Processing, NLP, in Healthcare, Unlocking the Healing Power of Words. NLP's Marvels in Healthcare. Chapter 5. Basics of NLP. Section 5.1. Embarking on a Linguistic Odyssey. In a world rich with medical literature, patient records, and clinical notes, a new horizon emerges through the art of language. This chapter guides us into the captivating realm of natural language processing, NLP, where machines comprehend, dissect, and harness the essence of human language to revolutionize healthcare insights. Section 5.2. Crafting Understanding from Words. Imagine deciphering the intricate layers of a poet's sonnet. NLP mirrors this finesse by unraveling the complexities of language, its syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. This section takes us through the building blocks of NLP, unraveling how machines navigate the nuances of human expression. Chapter 5.3. Applications in Clinical Text Analysis. Section 5.3.1. A Tapestry of Clinical Narratives. Visualize the shelves of a library laden with patient records, clinical notes, and medical journals. NLP transforms these narratives into a treasure trove of insights. In this section, we explore how NLP extracts critical information from vast volumes of clinical text, redefining how healthcare professionals navigate the sea of medical knowledge. Section 5.3.2. Enhancing Clinical Decision-Making. Imagine a physician's dilemma, deciphering intricate patient histories to chart treatment paths. NLP lightens this load, aiding clinicians by rapidly summarizing patient histories, flagging relevant information, and suggesting tailored interventions, thus elevating the precision of patient care. Chapter 5.4. Extracting Medical Information from Clinical Notes. Section 5.4.1. The Art of Information Extraction. Picture a detective sifting through evidence, piecing together a puzzle to solve a mystery. NLP applies this detective's precision to clinical notes, extracting pertinent data like patient diagnoses, treatments, and symptoms. We delve into the methodologies NLP employs to mine valuable medical insights. Section 5.4.2. Unveiling Hidden Phenomena. Imagine a cryptologist decoding ancient scrolls to reveal hidden wisdom. NLP's algorithms are akin to modern-day cryptologists, unraveling subtle patterns in clinical notes that offer insights into disease prevalence, treatment effectiveness, and even identifying potential side effects of medications. Chapter 5.5. Predictive Modeling for Patient Outcomes. Section 5.5.1. Predicting the Future, Nurturing the Present. Think of a weather forecaster predicting storms, allowing people to prepare. NLP applies this forecasting prowess to healthcare, predicting patient outcomes based on medical narratives. We explore how NLP-driven predictive models anticipate disease progression, hospital readmissions, and treatment responses. Section 5.5.2. Tailoring Treatments Through Prediction. Imagine a tailor crafting a suit to perfectly fit an individual's contours. NLP's predictive models tailor treatments similarly, personalizing interventions by analyzing patient records to recommend the most effective interventions, thus enhancing treatment efficacy and minimizing adverse effects. Chapter 5 Conclusion. The Language of Healing. As we conclude this chapter, the symphony of words harmonizes with the melody of healthcare. NLP's mastery transforms language into a potent tool for diagnosis, treatment, and research. We've delved into NLP's transformative prowess, unveiling how it elevates clinical decision-making and heralds a future where language is a gateway to better patient care. In our upcoming chapter, we step into the realm of real-world NLP applications, journeying through examples of how NLP decipher clinical texts, predict patient outcomes, and seamlessly integrate with medical practices to illuminate the path towards optimal healthcare delivery. Thanks for watching.